Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Phah University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksaw point rimlak. Just wow.
How come without the DC, KHDC, how come you are operating?
No, sir. We have been operating with the local shops only. So we have a tie-in with the local shops.
I don't know about that. How come you do your online business? I know you're doing online business. So
Yeah, online we are doing. We are tie-up
why
with the
we
local
close up
sellers.
Pynïaid also because of that? You don't have this. You can do that also. Now we have to close the shop also.
Khyrdep Integrated Territorial Organization East Khas Hills District Unit. Balalam Commando Executive Member Usamla Arcodius Simle Ringkat Lang bagi dekat jangka seng hak halai teri unai lar aja apan rio. Kila lej ban Phah Khang ya kedukan di tiar kebala tiap kertengkum Somoi Groceries Kabadan Hajan Fire Brigade Shillong. Hau kerwa berpah jika patai kebuah ringkat bagi video. Kaseng kala pentip bakalakam baga Somoi Groceries bala Pynïaid dewe barjala kampat yo ya trading license na Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Lai hadu mentahi utrai jong ni kedukan udang yo tang ya no objection certificate na kador basnong. Kai Hito ban paru ke jing sokya halo krukom terikam jong ni kedukan na kabapendan kam ya ka app based delivery system. Ban penpoy ya gitiar cekinong thiet nomor bakani ke kata ya kedukan red bai ginong khayi ki bala seng kedukan dagisnem. Hito ke kentu ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council baik kiwei pat ki bor bade pej man pelong ke jing tokir ke babnya lautra jong Somoi Groceries ulayon em ya no objection certificate na kador basnong bat banti benya la ka NOC ka la ne em banlong kanong dem ke babyang ban penya ya retail trade ha ka jaka ka baha phapo ke jing khmi jong district council bat kiwei de ki ma jinawa.
How come without the DC, KHDC, how come you are operating?
No, sir. We have been operating with the local shops only. So we have a tie-in with the local shops.
I don't know about that. How come you do your online business? I know you're doing online business. So
Yeah, online we are doing. We are tie-up
why
with the
we
local
close up
sellers.
Pynïaid also because of that? You don't have this. You can do that also. Now we have to close the shop also.
No, agree, sir. Agree. I totally agree your points. We have tie-up with entire the vendorship on this thing.
I don't care about that.
I don't have a
First you do your paperwork first and otherwise you will attend.
Sure, sir. We already applied in district council testimony for that. And also what is this called? The was now also have applied.
I don't care about the Promotional also. Agree?
We have submitted the documents like who our vendors who supply all this goods, all these things.
What documents you have right now?
Let me tell you some documents we have.
Only
There's spicy tree after the but masala magic lightly.
Why Pynïaid also is not getting like this to do online and all? We close it.
We to sir tie up with the local people.
I know that. If you're tied up with local people, so I know you're doing online business also. Don't lie about that.
No, we agree. We are doing online.
What's that app of yours? What?
Somoi.
No?
Yes. That whatever the vegetables, groceries, chicken, fish, pork, more beef, all these things is go from the local shop only. You can see there is a shop is here, near hotels. In all fire brigade, all the shops are here only.
The point is that
That is a line. We already applied several times.
no, if you are underapplied, you must close the shop. After your documentation is done, show us. You don't have any issue with the business because you don't have people. That's the main issue. And at present now, you have to close the shop.
Trading license.
No, for
You are from outside. From the district council, no paperwork is done now. That's why you have to close the shop.
You have to call from communications, no documentation you have done.
That's all we call outside as well. Hello? Jangan lupa tiket Ani jangan macam benda ini sudah. Tapi kali jangan itu problem. Gini bukan tu ni apa tu?
Kalian ni Hito, iskasir sebentar sini. Lapoi balik kenai kau ke dukan buku Pynïaid, ke beli di company Somoi. Mafilai mereka ni ke blanket buka syakhan aku CDC, dia akan supply ke tiap online ni berat, food delivery and all. Mentanya kini ke Somoi itu dilap bah, kalau berjual kan pun rekam juga ni. Nak kalian ke senang tu, di ITMC mah, mereka trading lesson premium, buka CDC. Once kau tempat dia mereka trading lesson untuk CDC pula nak operate pinjam business. Tiba day baka yo opat muka Jylla juga. Hantam pidigi no way. Puasa tu. Kesengro ni ketujuh lagi buat senang itu. Mungkin bit benda MC kelumar atau jadi begini kam kayu peteng mat begini bar Jylla. Orang ini situ bagi lah untuk icon di kena jual jadi go Henry pada kan keterima satu kerja bapura kan di dokumen bapura mereka tanya nama apa yang mereka sih. Dan kini kami mereka jeng lihat siang jono nanti sekon inang swat inang liai buat di company repair di badan sport mereka ya. Baru intre bina pagi. Once ini lah berkampat kan selain membahas dengan Khang Khyrdep itu berdepan. Kat hak por berkilap yang berkesan. Kini ketika Rigo Jomi ingin long terakhir apa ada.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la kabarin ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala itho da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba e ba phinyo e ka license pila ban apply ka online link ba ka website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pi hap pan upload ru ki kod kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong phi Pila ru banyak kendo yang designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam Jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan Megalaya latno tang is khasihers pila banlet bed chak office terekam Jongki ke commissionerate of food safety ke badan Halowa Lachumya nak benta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, bat belakershan dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Iperti yang tak ke Iwan, kuwi ke peram kuah kanai pi.
Ivan, baikkan bam kuah las kau makan. Tạm thân nè và gam ni, ham bên bột ấy yang dilak pa.
Bon sen kibrum, juk kli pagi yang Tangki kemat pom cina, hiya payodai.
Còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên husu gà gram mò tọt là bốn gà gram tem etiar đi kì. Có con đây nè.
Ya khi biểu ngài nè mà. Em khi mà vào teman em già hết.
Em sẽ là ngâm sang kéo vào cậu.
Pemi ni pedi yang pi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata go chna go thai suruh.
Ngaku ai amalai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai go nongkong daga simple design go ar dau hikai ke design mana je ya kan ga simple design.
Gini ke check tu ram sokar mah.
Kamu dah terang leduk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.